always think eagles, they're going to go, they're hunting all the time. Because they're big and scary, they've got massive talons, big scary face. Well, 9 times out of 10, an eagle would rather go scavenging than hunting.
Scary.
It's just the easiest food option. So if this guy is flying around a pond or a lake in Japan, for example, and he sees a carcass on the ground, and he is our 5-year-old male barn owl. And you find these guys all over the world, except for deserts and polar regions. And here in this country, they're found mainly around the east coast and the Midlands, but their population, it isn't doing too good. But I'll tell you about that just a little bit later on. So out of here, barn owls in this country would mainly hunt bankfuls or field mice, small little rodents there. And what he relies on is his amazing sense of hearing to find his food. So his hearing is so good that he can actually hear a mouse's heartbeat from up to 30 feet away. You can hear that same mouse running through a patch of grass at 100 feet away. His hearing is absolutely phenomenal. But you can't see his ears. Where are they? They are at the side of his head, exactly like ours. They're just covered behind dense feathering. With that as well, one ear is slightly raised higher than his other ear. The idea behind that is that this guy can hear on different levels. He can hear the horizontal and vertical axis all at the same time and pinpoint where his food is every single time. With that as well, a lovely heart-shaped face, a flat face, a facial disc with all owls, iconic of an owl. That just acts like a satellite dish or a cup in our ear to help project the noise back in to his ears once again so he can pinpoint where his food is every single time. But why aren't their eyes any good? They're 2/3 of his head, they're humongous eyes, 2/3 of his head. His eyesight is actually pretty rubbish, to be honest, I'm not going to lie to you. It's not that great. At long distance is a little bit better. You ever seen an owl bobbing their head from side to side? It's just in order to gain depth perception. See some contrast and see what obstacles are in his flight path. But up close, his eyesight is even worse. You could say here that out he has never seen his own feet. Which is absolutely incredible. Like, you don't know how what they ingest as well, and no idea what they put into their beaks, into their mouths. So what they have is very fine bristles there, whiskers nearly on the side of their beaks, so they can't feel what is going into their mouths. You're doing a runner, are you? That's alright. But they are amazing. Owls are fantastic creatures, really, really fantastic. That's called sexual now, that does. Well, a lot, once again, he's a young bird, and he's fantastic at his invisibility tricks for catching thermals, which are one half comprising air. A lovely kind of long wings and a fan tail helps him to catch these, and he'll circle around these thermals in the wild out in Spain and Portugal, getting to some amazing heights. His wild cousins have been found soaring at about 6,000 or 7,000 feet. Once he gets up that high, that's where his amazing eyesight comes into action and helps spot his food. So Apollo here can see every single colour, including ultraviolet light.
Wow.
With that as well, if we were to have the same eyesight as this guy here today, the equivalent would be if we were stood on top of an 8-story building, we could see an ant walking on the ground. It is absolutely amazing how good their eyesight actually is. But he's going to go through that same motion process that every bird will go through in their juvenile stage. Apollo here, it is absolutely perfect for this guy here today. So I think we're going to try and get Apollo overhead one last time. One fantastic long flight back into his aviary. It's a great photo opportunity as he does make his way across the pond and back into his aviary. But you do have to be quick because he knows the cue, he knows when he's gone. Simple as. He knows it. He knows the drill. Well, I think he deserves a round of applause. Oh, he's come back, never mind. I guarantee. No fair people whatsoever, and in the Falkland Islands, these guys, they do have a favourite colour, and their favourite colour in the entire world is the colour red. And the idea behind that is, this is what it looks like blood, and they do steal red items of clothing off of wash lines in the Falkland Islands, causing a bit of mayhem. They do take hats and scarves and gloves and bras and knickers and trousers and absolutely everything, just to cause a bit of mayhem. They're one of the most intelligent bird of prey species in the world, and one of the most unique. Well, like that, one of the most intelligent bird of prey species in the world, and she really is absolutely fantastic at this game. You've cheated. You've got it. Come on. Just here. I think she deserves a round of applause there, guys. She really, really worked hard for it. I really hope that caracaras never come across for plumps in the wild. And they will be found in their masses in their thousands, and they will migrate down to the warmer climates of Africa around winter time, because let's be honest, the weather up here does get pretty bad. But as you can see, their flying training is going absolutely amazingly. The next step of the training process is to put a baby in a loincloth there, the beak, and see how they can handle the aerodynamics. However, we have been joined by a couple of their cousins. On the back of the arena over here, we have Frankenstein. We've been joined by his brother Dracula, and we have Gonzo. They're all vulture species. So I cover different American cultures, obviously from the Americas, Central and South America. Gonzo, a hooded vulture, he's from Sub-Saharan Africa. And I always find that the vultures, they're misunderstood. They're always depicted as the bad guys. They're always seen as ugly and sinister. Disney movies don't do them any justice whatsoever. The Jungle Book is a great example of it. Unfortunately, they'll only start flying about 12 o'clock during the day, and that's when the sun is at its highest point. With that, they're going to want to catch a thermal. Once the thermal, they're going to catch it. When they do catch each other, they get a push on anything like to help spot their food, which is why their eyesight is what they rely on to spot their food.
Did you like it, Ethan?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was it?
What?
What was it? It was a bird show.
A board show.